I will use whey protein for building my muscle. But how much I will need to take every day? When should I will take whey protein? If I take more than I need, what will happen? Should I take whey protein after workout or before workout? Are you facing problem like this? Then don't worry. You are in the right place. This video is the right guide for you to resolve your problem. Welcome all the freak and fits to our new episode. As whey protein is important for fitness lovers, we will discuss in detail about what it is, how it works, and how it can help you achieve your fitness and health goals. You know, all that cannot be possible to cover in single episode. That's why we will create a 5-part video in which we will tell you everything you need to know about whey protein. This is our 4th video. If you missed the other 3, then see it now clicking I button in the top right corner. Today we will discuss detail about the proper use of whey protein, how to take whey protein and when to take. You will get all these answers. So don't miss a single second of this episode to build your body perfectly. Those who are new to our channel, please subscribe now and don't forget to click the bell icon next to it, as it will help you to remain connected with the freak and fits. So our first question is, how much we need to get the best possible outcome from whey protein? Most serving suggestions are around 30 gram, and with good reason. Research suggests this is the ideal amount to repair the damage done through training and initial muscle protein synthesis, the process by which new muscle tissue is laid down. So you can use your whey protein in 3 ways. Number 1. Consume around 30 grams of protein powder once a day depending on your body weight. The amount of protein that you need to consume each day is dependent upon how active you are, how old are you, and whether you are male or female. An inactive adult just starting a new workout program should consume around 0.4 grams of protein per pound of body weight to meet the daily requirement. This means that you should probably consume around 30 grams of protein if you eat 3 meals a day. Men should consume a little more protein than women. There are recommendations for ratios printed on each particular whey protein. Number 2. Add more whey protein to your diet if you are trying to build muscle. If you are trying to build muscle while on your workout regimen, you need to consume more protein, between 0.6 to 0.8 grams per pound of your body weight. If you are a competitive athlete and are also restricting your daily caloric intake, you may need to move up to 0.9 grams per pound. A 180 pound adult on a regular workout routine should consume between 0.5 to 0.75 grams of protein every day for each pound of body weight. Number 3. Use 10 to 20 grams per serving if you are dieting to lose weight. A lower dose of whey protein will help supplement muscle growth and development while helping you burn fat. If you are restricting your diet to aid in weight loss, supplement your protein intake by adding some whey protein. 10 to 20 grams will help your muscles stay healthy while aiding in the burning of your body fat. Now the question is, when do you take it? After a workout is the most obvious time to consume whey protein powder, because that's when your muscles need it most. Drinking a shake of whey mixed with cold water or milk within 30 minutes of finishing your training session will initiate the recovery process by flooding your bloodstream with amino acids, which are quickly shuttled into your muscle cells, where they can be laid as a new muscle tissue. So, in 3 different times we can take whey protein. Number 1. Drink a shake after a workout to keep your muscles healthy. Drink your whey protein within 30 minutes of your workout to help your muscles repair. Your body burns through a lot of protein, nutrients and calories during a workout session, and the protein shake will help replace these nutrients and proteins in a healthy and productive way. If you drink your shakes after workouts regularly, you will begin to notice that you don't get as sore as you used to. This is because whey helps the muscles regenerate after they have been strained. Number 2. Have a shake in the morning to start your day. A protein shake is an excellent replacement for a cup of coffee. The proteins, nutrients and fats in a whey protein shake will energize and refresh you early on in the day. A protein shake in the morning also helps your muscles relax and get ready for any early morning workouts or running around at work. The good news is there are coffee flavored protein powders on the market if you want to replicate that morning cup of coffee. Number 3. Use a shake to replace a meal if you are dieting or running late. If you have to run out the door quickly and about to miss a meal, you can use a protein shake to replace the nutrients that you are about to miss. You can also use a protein shake as a meal replacement if you are trying to cut down on calories or restricting your diet to lose weight. Try to avoid replacing more than one meal every day with a protein shake. You can also take whey protein at other times. Blend a scoop of your favorite flavor with an egg and a banana for some high protein breakfast or dessert pancakes, for example. It's especially useful to have a hand to mix with water when you are out and don't have time to eat a proper protein rich meal. Many studies shows that a diet high in protein can help reduce body fat levels, so you will not only get bigger and stronger but leaner too. So we will take our whey protein according to our needs and take it perfectly so that we can get the best results from it. So I wish this video would make you understand all about whey protein uses. Which is your best time to take whey protein? Please write us in comments below. In our next video, we will tell you about the benefits and also side effects of taking excessive whey protein. That would be our last video of whey protein. So don't dare to miss that. Whoever is still not subscribed our channel, why not? Subscribe now and must click on the bell icon.